Yeah, so welcome to this wonderful edition of Gate Startup. Okay, what happens with the Gate Startup? The Gate Startup is a platform where token come around, basically to raise some funds. Yeah, to raise some funds. They come and also to give some airdrops to claim. Okay, so that is the essence of the Gate Startup. So this time around, we have PAAL AI. Okay, PAAL AI. Now, the question on your mind now is, what is PAAL AI? All right, PAAL AI is a decentralized platform, for anything that has to do with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, again, artificial intelligence and machine learning. That is the essence. All right, that is the essence of uh, that platform. Now, they allow you to build your AI on the platform. Okay, they can actually pay some service fee to build your AI, okay, even if you don't have much knowledge about programming. Okay, and to me, it looks revolutionary. Okay, it looks amazing, it looks awesome because we need more of a decentralized platform like this. So look at this. PAL AI is an advanced ecosystem with chatbots built on AI and machine learning technologies designed to streamline tasks that typically require human intellect, such as natural language understanding, decision making, and trading. Okay, trading. So this is the founder of PAL. Okay, his name is David. Okay, David, is an AI enthusiast and has background in sales and marketing. Okay, so he built PAL to bridge the gap between AI and crypto. Okay, he loves to work in a team that are truly trying to make an impact within the crypto space. Okay, now for those of you who are going to go and watch me now, okay, I kind of talked about great startup, especially if you are watching it from the crypto community right now. Okay, and I told you that one of the ways you can earn some money for yourself, you can earn some airdrop for yourself, is by participating in events like this. And my view, this is going to be a very nice opportunity for you to, to claim some reward for yourself. All right. So look at this now. This is how to participate. If you want to participate in the Gate Startup, the steps are quite easy. Now, if you're watching right now, okay, I want you to do first of all, follow me now. Okay, when you follow me, the next thing you want to do after that is to make sure that you like the live stream, like the video, share with your friends, and make a comment down below in the chat box. Okay, because I'm not giving out VIP. Okay, I'm not giving out VIP tier tickets to people this week. Okay, at least I'll give it to 3 people this week. Okay, so all you have to do if you're watching me now, okay, log into your account on Gates. That's number one. Okay, then ensure that you have like $10 on your sport account. Okay, then click $0 free to claim. So you just need to have that minimum balance. You need to have like 1,000, so just have that minimum balance to qualify to claim it. Then confirm the available shares. Then click on. So I'm gonna go ahead now and say notify me. Okay, notify me. Okay, so I'm gonna get notified on the app. All right. So I'm going to get notified. So if you are watching on mobile app now, go to the startup future on Gates, then make sure that you click on notify so that you're going to be notified when the claim is live. So you have 80,000 USDT right there. Okay. So and if you have a VIP ticket, look at it. They say this startup subscription is free. Look at that. Users can claim project tokens for free. Like they're going to be distributing this to more users. Okay, and that's how it works. Okay, they're going to be distributing this to more users. So the higher the VIP tier, the more free airdrops that you get. Look at that. It's as simple as that. So let me copy the link to this live. Let me check. Okay, this is the link to the live. Let me open the new tab. So I'm going to copy link. No, not this. Not this. Okay, okay, not this. So I'm going to click on this live stream now. So I'll copy this link. Okay, I'll copy this link. Then I'll go to Telegram channel and send a message about it. Okay, I'll go to Telegram channel. So something like this. Just give me a few seconds. I want to notify my community members about the live stream so that we can watch that. Okay, so they can watch that. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the startup page. Okay, now go to Telegram. Has it been sent? Sent. So I'll go to Telegram now and I'll edit this so that they have that link right there. Yeah, so that's it right there. So go right there, go right now and watch this. Go right and watch this live stream. Okay, and let me know what you think about these PAAL projects. Okay. So in the next 17 hours, 53 minutes, this token sales will go live. And it is free. Okay, it is free to claim. So claim the project token for free right there. Okay, so it makes sense for you to go and claim it. Okay, it makes sense for you to go right there and claim it. All right, so go right there, do what, and claim it. So now, okay, requirement for participants. Okay, participants should register on Gates. Okay, you have to have an account on Gates first. So if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure that you use my affiliate link or my file link to sign up on Gates and log in. After logging in, complete your identity, verify your account. Okay, the spot asset should be greater than or equal to 10 USD, and that's all you have to do. Okay, so then this is the risk warning. If you want to participate, make sure you read this correctly. Startup purchase, okay, price, then startup supply and unlock rule. So once you're able to get into this, the unlock rule is 100%. Like you can sell one as soon as it is listed on exchange, you can sell almost immediately. Okay, so PAAL is an advanced PAAL AI is an advanced ecosystem with chatbots built on AI and ML technologies designed to streamline tasks that typically requires human intellect such as natural language understanding, okay, decision making and trading. Do you see that? So experience a next level AI assistance armed with blockchain technology. So my PAL is the future of crypto-centric AI, offering seamless interaction, smart analysis, and a token to vote for government decision. Yup, you've got the power. So this is the CEO, David, you can see him right there, and they have the token allocation. Okay, 65% is for liquidity, that's quite impressive, and 20% is locked up, and 50% is for staking rewards. So if you're probably staking on Uniswap, okay, then you have access to some reward from the staking pool. All right, so 50% for the staking reward, the three pools, and they're going to be allocating 5% per pool. Okay, so there will be three pools and they will be allocating 5% per pool. Okay, and this is token economics right there. Okay, so the token is used within the PaaS ecosystem, okay, and it gives holders the voting right for governance decisions while also enabling interaction with PaaS services. So it doubles as a utility token and a governance token. Yeah, that's it. So it doubles as utility token and also a governance token. So if you look at the overview right here, you see that my PAL operates on AI coupled with blockchain technology, providing users with reliable, concise, and no nonsense information, like a sort of well streamlined and well defined information for people right there. Okay, so that's really incredible about the PAL. Okay, so not initial airdrop. So go ahead, create an account on the platform, get the airdrop, it's all yours. It's all yours. So set notification when the campaign is live, go right there and claim it. So if you have higher VIP tier, then you have more opportunity to claim this. Okay, and you're going to be asking questions like, what is the future of these projects? Okay, that's a very interesting question. Like, what is the future of this project? Does it have any prospects? What are the fundamentals? Okay. Unfortunately, even though I would love to analyze this project from technical perspective, but for some reasons, we do not have historical data. We do not have enough historical data because sometimes you can have historical data on a particular coin or token, and for some reasons, they may not be enough for you to make an informed decision. Okay. But now we are going to be talking about something that is even more powerful than technical analysis. What is that? It is fundamental analysis. Why? Because fundamentals drives the technical. Okay, there is no technical analysis without the fundamentals, but fundamentals can exist without technical, kind of, right? Because fundamentals it produces technical. Okay, whatever you see right here on the chart. So if you go on TradingView now and you search for PAAL, it is not listed on any exchange, okay, and it's not available to be analyzed on TradingView, and that is why you can see it right here on TradingView. So if I come here now and say, okay, I use text, uh, let me refresh this page. Okay, let me refresh this page. All right. So because we don't have any data right here, there is no how we could have analyzed this. Do you see that? So if you go to coin market cap, you're going to see that PAL is already listed on the coin market cap. Okay. Then if you go here, you're going to see total supply right now is 63.51%. And that is normal because you already knew now, okay, you already knew that they are going to be using a bunch of these tokens to provide liquidity on DEXs. And it's having a market cap of 31 million. Okay, that's still like kind of undervalued if you ask me. So you can see the volume has dropped, it has dropped the volume. But I believe that probably tomorrow, this project will be listed on Gates. Okay, then you'll be able to trade it on the spot market. You can buy on spot market, you can sell on spot market. Now, why the volume is dropping is because if you look at the market, okay, you can only see them on DEX majorly. Okay, so you can easily see them, you can see the project majorly on DEX. Okay, probably on Uniswap V1, sorry, Uniswap V2, the Uniswap V3, okay, X market and Open Ocean. So these are exchanges that does not have much volume. Do you see that? Okay, but the bulk of it is being traded on Uniswap. So if you go here now, you scroll. Okay, I want to be able to scroll here. You can see right here that the liquidity score is much is higher. Okay, it's higher on Uniswap, even though the volume is much more is higher on X markets. You see that? So, but the moment it's being listed on top tier exchange like Gates, okay, then volume will come in. Okay, there will be more volume, there will be more speculators, speculating about the prices, okay, and that could actually make it rise in value. Okay, so at the moment it is trading for $0.025 per token at the moment. So and if you go back, you click on all, and when you click on all, it gives you access to how it gives you access to have an idea of the historical value. So it was listed probably it was launched and listed on CoinMarketCap on July this year. Okay, sorry, June. So I traded for a while at the floor price. So if you look at the price now, it has done more than 10x from this price. Okay, more than 10x. Can you see that? Okay, it has cancelled how many zeros? Like like 3 zeros. That's incredible. So then if you scroll down here, you're going to see much data about it. You can see since all-time high, since all-time high, it has only lost 46% of its value. Okay, then since all-time low. So if someone has actually bought from here, that person will be in 56,000% profit. Man, that's crazy. That is crazy. Wow. Wow. Amazing. 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 Honestly, this is amazing. So let's look at the fact that it has actually moved, it has jumped in value. Okay, it is still there's still much room for growth. Okay, there is much room for growth. Let's switch this to a candle chart to have an idea. There is much room for growth. Then, if you analyze this on the chart, you're going to see a kind of exhaustion candle. Okay, do you see that exhaustion candle right here? Okay, so it means that from this double top, they can see here, this is a double top right there. They can see an exhaustion candle. So this exhaustion candle, okay, signifies that there is a possibility of uptrend, upward continuation in price movements. Did you see that? Okay, there's a possibility of upward continuation in the price movement of that. All right. So, and you can see that build up. That there is a build up towards the listing on Gates. You know, because Gates being a top tier exchange with huge and massive volume. All right, with huge and massive volume. So, being that kind of exchange, okay, the volume will get in. Okay, they'll be able to get the right and necessary attention. Then this could actually skyrocket the price from 0.04. Okay, 0.04. That is significant rise in value. So between tomorrow and Monday, there could be that pump upward movement. Okay, because you can see the rejection. The bears are trying to send down the price, but somehow it was rejected at this point. All right. So today, if this candle should close bullish today, that is a very good sign that there is a likelihood of upward trajectory, upward price movement. Yeah, upward price movement on that. There is that possibility and that tendency. Did you see that? That is pretty much awesome. It's pretty much awesome right there. So that is historical data, okay, and it's on watch list of about let me see, watch list of several individuals, okay, and it is using the Telegram bots AI and big data tag, okay, it is using that tag, okay. So and you know right now, Telegram bot trend is at its peak right now, so a lot of people are actually looking forward to a lot of people are actually looking forward, you know, to making money through the Telegram bot narrative. That's the new narrative, and as you know, trend drives the crypto markets, hype drives the markets, news drives the markets, okay, narratives also drives the crypto market. These are things you need to be aware of, okay, in this space. So now another advantage that this project they have is the fact that the founder, David, you know, he has some kind of background in marketing. Look at this, sales and marketing. Okay, that is an advantage. When the CEO or the founder of the project do not have background in marketing, the project will suffer. Okay, it's going to suffer. You don't have background in marketing. So what makes a project make sense? Okay, two things. If the founder have background in sales and marketing, if it's not even the founder, one of the co-founders should have background in sales and marketing. So if that is the case, right, it is helpful to that project. Number two, if they don't have background in sales and marketing, they should hire someone that have a proven record in crypto and blockchain sales and marketing. So these are part of the key factors that you should be looking out for in a new project. Okay. What about the team? Fine. What about, you know, What about the sales team? Does the founders have background in sales or marketing? Whatever you produce, whatever smart contract code that you write, whatever revolutionary project that you are building, okay, as long as you are not able to market it to the right audience, okay, as long as you're not able to deploy the best possible marketing strategy to make sure that it becomes highly adopted, it gets the attention of traders and investors across the world, okay, as long as you can do that, no matter what you do, no matter how robust the technology behind the project is, it is not going to move in value, it's not going to rise in value. So to rise in value, there must be an investment into marketing, sales and marketing. Okay, sales and marketing is the blood and water of any business or any company across the world. Even religion, it's about sales and marketing. Okay, anything, sales and marketing. Harvard, sales and marketing. The way they market it and the way they sell it to people, it's about sales and marketing. Ethereum is about sales and marketing. Okay, and you will notice that an event occurred recently, where the one of the founders of Maker tried to demarket Ethereum by switching or favor or prioritizing Solana blockchain over Ethereum blockchain. That is a sort of demarket. Okay, although that is the truth, he said the truth, and he's trying to do things that would resonate deeply with his project, okay, with Maker, and make Maker even better. But unfortunately, this actually sounds differently to Ethereum Foundation and Ethereum founders. Looks like one of the biggest stable coins issuers, one of the biggest DAO platform on Ethereum. Seems like they want to migrate to another blockchain. For that reason, what did he do? He went ahead and he dumped all their tokens. He sold out everything. He doesn't want to have any connection whatsoever with MakerDAO anymore. What did he do after that? He went to a rival project and he started supporting them. Okay, that move alone is marketing. Is marketing. Okay, it's a very good PR for Ethereum. It's a very good PR for Vitalik. So when you have a team like this that understands sales and marketing, it reflects in the growth of their token. And that is exactly what you're seeing right here. Because David understands sales and marketing, this is why this project is having a healthy growth, a healthy movement in the market. Did you see that? Okay, this is a reflection of the team effort, okay, on sales and marketing, because how many projects can move like this in a bear market? Okay, there has to be something that these guys are doing that is working for them. Okay, there must be something that these guys are doing that is working for them. And one of those things that is working for them is getting their project listed on this platform and conducting airdrop that will further market this project. So look at this. Okay, so look at this. If you want to compete, if you want to win some funds from this pool, you must be ready. Then look at that. Okay, let me check retweets. Okay, look at this. So participate in the startup, share activity with friends, join Gate Official on Telegram, retweet Gate Startup on Twitter. Okay, retweet Gate Startup, that was a double entry right there. Okay, then follow PAAL Mind on Twitter, then follow Gate Startup on Twitter. Do you see that? So all of these are marketing strategies that will further drive the adoption and awareness about this project. Can you see that? So you should definitely take note of things like this. All right. So if you go back to the website, okay, this is the coin market cap listing. Okay, if you go back to the website, what are you going to see? Okay, this is on CoinGecko. Okay, this is on CoinGecko, and according to CoinGecko, this token is listed on only Uniswap version 2. Okay, only on Uniswap version 2 right there. So let's say you can have access to more data on this platform. Okay, so if we click on the tokenomics, okay, tokenomics data for this coin is currently unavailable. So I want to recommend that the team should send tokenomics to CoinGecko so that they can update that as fast as possible. So we're going to have a look at the website. Yeah, we're going to have a look at the website. Okay, and there's an announcement. PAAL recently migrated from their old contract to a new one. Okay, a new contract address. Probably there was a vulnerability on the old contract. So for that reason, they moved to a new contract. So this is their charts. So if you come here now, for instance, if you come here, you go to daily candle, you can see the chart right there. Okay, you can see the chart right there. Then if you use this, you can see a downtrend from here. Okay, you can see that trend from here, and that will be broken. Okay, that trend will be broken, I believe. So this will allow us to have a bigger view. Okay, it will allow us to have a bigger view. Okay, do you see that? Let me see if I have access to more drawing tools. Okay, so let me go right here. Control Z. So we can see a double top at this point. Okay, you can see a double top right there. Where is it? This is like a double top. I'm going to use rectangle to illustrate that. Okay, that's a double top right there. And after a double top, you see a downtrend. Okay, then shortly after the double top, you had a downtrend, on the price. Then shortly after that, you can see an exhaustion at this point. Unfortunately, we couldn't use a bigger screen for this analysis. Okay, for this analysis, then you see something like this. Where is it? Okay, maybe I should try and use this. I was thinking about have access to an arrow so that you can have a breakout from here, a pullback, then a movement like this. Sorry. So that's a mistake from here. Okay, so let me deploy that once more. Okay, so tomorrow there's a likelihood of a breakout. Okay, a breakout from that trend line. Then we have a movement like this. Did you see that? Okay, so you have a double bottom right here. You have a movement like this. All right. Let me go. So then you're gonna have a kind of support. Where is this line? So I'm going to use horizontal line here. Okay, you have a support at this level that will be holding strong. So sorry, I know that it's maybe hard for you to actually see this. This is the liquidity locked, locked liquidity. This is the volume. This is the free directed valuation, and this is the market cap as reported on geckoterminal.com. Okay, on geckoterminal.com. So it's not only ports. Buy tax probably exists, sell tax doesn't exist, and it's also an open source project. Do you see that? Also an open source project. So, how do you feel about PAAL? Okay, if one can become looking good, okay, so can become looking good to give more people confidence about this project. Okay, so you can trade on Unibot, you can swap on Uniswap if that is what you're comfortable with. All right, so this is the website, PAALAI.com. token info. Okay, so that PAAL AI.io, that you can see the buy history and sell history right there on the chart. Did you see that? Okay, right there on the chart. So I'm gonna make this screen bigger now. Should I make it bigger? So let me make it bigger. Where is it again? I want to make this even bigger. Yeah, I want to make it bigger, something like this. So can you see that? So that is the possible movement for PAL. Okay, possible for PAL. So we're able to get in on, through where the startup, it makes sense. That will be the best possible entry that anyone can get. Okay, and I mean it. That could be the best possible entry that anyone can get as far as this is concerned. Right? As far as this is concerned. So that is the chart. So let me use a text. So I'm going to go back. So I want to use a text. So I will say something like this in the text. So I'm going to say PAAL AI, PAAL AI project review. Okay. So now make it white. I'm going to make it white so that it will become even more visible. Okay, so I'm going to make it white. So something like this. Okay, yeah, something like this. So I'll make this bigger. So I'll change this to maybe 30. So now to make it bigger on our screen. So let's make it bigger on our screen. So that's exactly what I have to do. So I'm going to go to the website now. This is the website. Okay, then you have a look at the information that is available to us via the website right now. Okay, that's the next thing I'm going to have a look at the moment. Okay, so we don't have a look at that information. So you can see, so if you scroll like this, discover the power of AI and machine learning. Okay, this is supported by Google Cloud. Okay, so PAL is a robust ecosystem. Okay, leveraging AI and machine learning technology. It enables users to create personalized AI, deploy it across multiple platforms, including Telegram and Discord, and offers comprehensive AI solutions for businesses and projects. Okay, so they have 1% of all the PAL trading volume, okay, will probably be shared amongst those who are staking that token. Okay, does it make sense to you? I hope it does. So service revenue sharing, 25% referral rewards. So if you actually refer your friends to the project, and they actually request for a service, you'll be getting 25% reward from that transaction. So that looks cool, really. So also the partner project airdrop. So if they actually partner with a specific project or some other project, you're going to be receiving airdrop through that. So it sounds cool. So it sounds cool right now, right there, isn't it? It sounds cool. All right. So if you want to stake, okay, click here, stake now. It will open a new tab. If you like to, if you like to earn staking reward from the project, and the fact that they introduce staking reward, it is part of things that will help the project to have a price stability. Okay, that will help the project to have a price stability to a reasonable extent. Yeah, to a reasonable extent. Okay, so you have to connect your wallet. specifically Ethereum wallet. So when you connect your wallet, you should have some PAAL token in your wallet, and also you should have Ethereum coin in your wallet. Okay, because that is the only way that you can stake. Look at this pool, 14 days. This is the APR. This is APR in 80 days, then APR in 56 days. This is quite incredible. Okay, this is quite an impressive mechanism that will help the price to stabilize. So, and ETH by staking, okay, they've distributed 93.2 Ethereum so far, okay, in their staking pool. So if you want, you can actually stake for like, you can stake for like 14 days if you want. You can stake for 22 days if you want for 80% APR. Okay. Now let me explain this to you. 80% APR, for those who don't understand this, do not necessarily mean that you are going to be getting 80% returns in 28 days. No. Okay. That's not what it means. What it means is that if you divide this, let me say 28 days is 1 month, right? So I say that, but it is annualized profit returns. Okay, annualized profit returns, that's what it is. Now, if you listen, so if you are able, okay, if you are able to participate in this pool for 1 month, for instance, you're going to be getting 80% divided by 12. Whatever it is, that is the APR. So let me say 80 divided by 12 months per year. Okay, so in that 26 days, what you're going to be getting is about 6 point something percent. Okay, or something a little bit above 6% in 28 days. That's okay if you ask me. Okay, those guys that are able to stake at the early stage of the project themselves are getting a very decent value or decent return on investment. Okay, first, their PAL has increased in number. Second, it has increased in value. All right. Third, they must have earned some Ethereum, okay, through that. So, like, they must have made quite a lot of money by staking PAL AI. Okay, that's how the staking reward programs actually work. Okay, and you should definitely take note of that. So, if you have any question along the way, okay, feel free to leave me the question right here. I'm going to be available to answer whatever question that you may have about the PAAL AI project. Okay, about the PAAL AI project. So let's have a look at more other thing on the website. So I'm going to go back now, okay, and load the website interface once again. Okay, and load the website interface once again. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. So these are some of the tools that you can have access to by actually, buying this token. Cryptocurrency focused AI handles inquiries, summarizes conversations, and accesses chat sentiments. Okay, chat sentiments. It's going to scan the entire market and let you have an idea of who's bias, about specific token, about specific coin. So multi-platform integration, compatible with platforms like Telegram and Discord. Do you see that? So customizable, personalized bots, personality, response style, knowledge base about various coins and projects. Okay. So content upload, you can upload Word, PDF, website links for bot learning. Okay, the learn can actually learn, the bot can actually learn by the kind of data that you feed that bot with. So I kind of like that. Okay. So multiple bots can be utilized across various channels if that's what you want. So real-time data fetching. Okay, collect real-time project data from multiple sources. Okay, these are things that these are the kind of value that you get from using their AI. Okay, so secure uses FIPS 122, so 142 validated encryption by Google Cloud for data security and privacy, then revenue sharing with PAAL stakers. Whatever revenue that is being generated from people who are using all of these services will be distributed to the stakers. Okay, so that is quite impressive. I love that. So PAL is a powerful AI ecosystem that you should not actually play with. Okay, so these are the summary of the services that they render. Okay, multimodal AI as a service. Okay, LLM. Okay, for crypto. Okay, custom data sets, multiple platforms, personalized chats. Okay, chatbot. So AI is the ability of machines to learn and think like humans. Okay, so you have to leverage that because AI is going to be the next big thing within the crypto space also. So people will be able to like build AI that could trade the market and provide quality and accessible information. Okay, there's a difference between quality information and the ones that are accessible to the general public. So information can be quality and not be accessible. Okay, and information can be accessible and not quality enough. So what you're getting from this platform is quality and accessible information from the platform. So if you want to swap, you can just come here. Okay, one Ethereum, you can just type like, okay, let me see how much that's going to cost. Okay, so you want to swap. This is probably like, let me see. Okay, this looks like a placeholder because normally this price should be changing as fast as possible. Okay, as fast as possible. So if I'm going to be buying with one Ethereum, this is going to be the transaction fee. Okay, so that's not much. That's not much. So I'm going to swap to get 1.6k, okay, of PAL token with one Ethereum. Okay, so forgive me, this is not actually a placeholder. It is working, but I didn't know that the price change will be reflected right there. So we can share to earn. Okay, you can actually go right there, generate this invite link by connecting your wallet on the website. Okay, then invite your friends to trade, and you get 0.1% of any trade for life as long as they are trading PAL. Okay, you get 0.1% of any of the trade for life. So all you have to do, go to the website, that's how to accumulate more PAL. Go to the website, copy the invite link, show to your friends, oh guys, this is a very good project and it makes sense. Although you can add a disclaimer, like do your research, okay, do your research. But if they actually do their research and it looks like something they want to jump on, then using your referral link will give you some passive income right there. So technologies and services tiers. So you can see it right here. They have hobby plan and they have a pro plan. Okay, so let me share this with you. PAL AI, okay, a token on Ethereum incentivizes holders or incentivizes holders with reward and token buybacks, to drive token demand and price. So users can earn tokens through interactions with the AI service, yes, making referrals and contributing to the community. Okay, if you contribute to the community, you're gonna earn some token feedback. Finally, okay, finally, token enable governance voting can be staked for interest, unlocking premium features. So they also have services and all that. Do you see that? So now they have two plans. Okay, they have two plans. One is the hobby plan. Okay, you can see custom data sets. You can only use for single platform and 5 data sets, document limit, and customer support. But for a pro plan, hobby features, unlimited documents, custom personality, data storage, and multi-platform. So more people would like to go for the pro plan, I believe. Okay, I believe more people would like to go for the pro plan. So I also want to explore even further on how to set up the PAAL. Okay, let us wait for that to load. So the next couple of minutes now, I will give you a roundup, okay, and a conclusion of what I think. So you have to create an account in the platform to sign up for their AI products. So you use your Google Mail to sign in and create an account right there, isn't it? So I have an account with them. So you've seen how to stake. You want to earn more. You've seen how to stake, okay, and you've seen their products and services. Then if you want to go through the documents, you have a white paper right there. Okay, you can go to the white paper. Okay, so we're going to do that one. This is the white paper in PDF. Okay, so by reading the white paper, it will give you idea. Their vision in the white paper is right there. Their vision, okay, their mission is there. Okay, you can see the focus, what they are actually focusing on. Then this is their value system, their values. Okay, this is one of some of their products. Okay, can you see their product right there? Okay, AI-driven chatbot platform. Okay, external and embedded chatbots. Social media AI bots, Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. So PAAL LLM, large language model for crypto. So you're going to ask a question like, how does a large language model works? Okay, so how does a large language model works? These are questions in your mind at the moment. Okay, so if you're using a large language model, how is it going to work? So how is it going to work? That is probably the question on your mind. Okay, so listen, okay, listen and pay attention right here. The large language, okay, it can help to fine-tune your trading, okay, and you can also train it on specific data sets that will help you to improve your trading. Now look at this. Fine-tune language generation, the PAAL LLM for crypto excels in generating coherent and accurate text specifically related to the crypto industry, outperforming the generic LLM in domain-specific language generation. Okay, they have a custom model training. Developers have the flexibility to train the PAAL LLM for crypto on their own data sets. Okay, probably you're a trader, okay, and you've been trading for a while, you have access to quite a number of data sets. You can feed that data set into the PAAL LLM. Okay, they allowing you to create a bespoke AI solution to address specific needs and challenges. Okay, so like I told you, some of you are in the community. Okay, I told you that I'm going to be working on algorithm trading. Okay, a kind of automated system that will be trading the market on our behalf. Okay, why did I have confidence to go into such area? Because I've been trading for years and I have a huge chunk of data sets that you can use to develop that solution or that product. Okay, so scalable and robust API like the PAAL LLM for crypto API is engineered to be scalable and resilient, capable of handling high request volumes with low latency and unwavering reliability. So these are things you should know about it. You have tokenomics, marketing, 50 million token, team, 50 million token, early investors and partners, 250 million, the liquidity pool, Can you see that? Ecosystem future development and rounds of investment 200 million unit of the token. So you can read about the token, you can read about token issuance, distribution, utility, and all that. So what is the use case? Okay, PAAL usage. You can play, chart, summarize, prompt lab, history, and feed it with data sets to create a robust solution. So this is the interface. So let's assume you're able to set up an account. This is how the interface will look like. Okay, the interface looks pretty much like this, right? So it looks pretty much like this. So I kind of like the design of the white paper. Okay, it doesn't feel boring. It is not much. It is well designed and it does not feel boring at all. Okay, so that makes it make sense. Okay, it makes it make sense. Now I'm going to be giving you the verdicts, my verdicts on the project. So after all the review, I should be giving you a verdict on this project, isn't it? So for that, I'm going to be going to this platform. Okay, before I give you a verdict on the project. First and foremost, it's an AI project. Okay, and AI narrative has actually been strong for a while if you have been paying attention. Okay, if you have been paying attention, it's been, let me cancel this. So if you've been paying attention, it has been enjoying some movement for a while if you've been paying attention, right? And at the same time, you would notice that, let me see, okay, okay, I see that, I see that. So this is going to be my verdict. Technically, there is a buying opportunity here, technically speaking. So we have a buying opportunity here based on technical analysis. You can see this exhaustion. Okay, if high there is add a double top here, then boom, the practically crashed. It crashed to 0.0196. Okay, so it found a bottom at that level, isn't it? At that level. So that gives buyers a strong buying opportunity. You see that? A strong buying opportunity. So, like 3 times now, okay, the support has been holding strong. Okay, has been holding strong. One, two, three, right? It's been holding strong for a while. Okay, and the volume has dropped. Okay, and the value has dropped also, isn't it? But if you pay close attention, you notice that the listing, okay, the token listing on Gate is quite a big deal for traders because they have access to trade it on centralized exchange, okay, and trading on SEX or CEX, or let me say centralized exchange, trading on this platform does not actually require much trading fee, unlike Uniswap. Okay, it doesn't require much trading fee. So because of that ease of trade, because it is easy to trade it. So for that reason, more people will trade it, and that will bring in more volume to the project. So that will bring more money. So that will bring more volume to the project. Okay. So really, this will be a good entry level. Okay, a good entry level as long as it closes convincingly above this trend line. So once it closes convincingly above this trend line, then I believe that to have a slight pullback, then the price will move. Okay, it will move because the team have good background in marketing, okay, and have a good marketing strategy. to market his product or to market his project to the rest of the world. Okay, so another thing is that a bunch of the supply is already circulating. Over 60% of supply circulating. So what it means is, it means that there is not much, let me say, not much tokens are left in the vaults. Okay, so when you have, let me give an example now. If you have a project that is doing fine and only about 15% of the entire supply is in circulation, I'm always kind of scared about something, because what if another 30% is unlocked? So it's going to dilute the value of those tokens, or let me say those projects. That is another challenge. Okay, but when I say projects where a bunch of the token has been issued out and is already in circulation, and despite that, it is still having a very good upward trajectory or a very good price movement. So I kind of have the confidence to trade such project. So if you're actually going to be buying or you are involved in this great startup, able to get some airdrop, then you can probably have your stop loss slightly below this week. Okay, slightly below this week, you can have your stop loss right there. Then you buy from here. Okay, but don't buy now. Wait for the close of today's candle. So if this is able to close above the trend line, then it is a good move to long that, okay, to buy that on exchange. So I hope that makes sense to you, and I hope you clearly understood my conclusion. So, and also, if you like to, dabble into AI, okay, like building a custom AI, with a large language model, okay, why not? Go ahead and buy some tokens, and use it to test out those products and services. Okay. And at the same time, if you want to make some profit by staking, then you can also go ahead now and see if you can stake the coin. Okay, so you can make some returns on that. There will be an increase in the amount of coins that you receive. Okay, and the upward price movement will also help you, okay, to gain more value from that. So I hope this analysis makes sense to you. If you have any question whatsoever, use the chat box and let me know. Okay, if you have any question whatsoever, go ahead, use the chat box and let me know. So I'm gonna be here to respond to whatever question that you have. So you have the next 2 or 3 minutes to ask me whatever question that you have, so that I can attend to every one of them. Okay. And lastly, don't forget to follow me now. That's how to stay notified about the upcoming live streams. Okay, that's how to stay notified. So make sure that you hit that follow button. Then ensure that you like this live stream. Like the live stream, that's also important. Okay, so like the live stream and let us have some fun together. Okay, so we're gonna have some fun together. I'm gonna enjoy this together. So that's it, guys. That is it. So I'm going to go back to the airdrop page. For those of you who are just joining us, so I'll go back to this startup or airdrop page. Where is it again? Okay, so go to your mobile app now and click on notify me. Okay, get notified by the mobile app. Okay, get notified about the project, and once it is live, go right there and claim some airdrops for yourself. Like I said, I'm going to be giving out some free VIP VIP tier tickets to some traders. Okay, to some traders or to some viewers, from my fans. So ensure that you are watching me now, okay, and ensure that you like this video or this live stream. Make a comment down below and make sure that you are on my followers list. You are on my followers. So if you are following me, definitely you are going to get some VIP. So I will send your details to Okay, well, this is what you can do. Go to the comment box now. In the comment box, post your UID in the comment box. Okay, post your UID in the comment box. Then I'm going to be able to send that to the team. Then the most active viewers, in terms of engagement and followers and all that, is going to win that ticket, that opportunity. So basically, that is how it works. So I really hope that you enjoy this live stream. And I hope you're going to check out the project, okay, and try to make some, and try to create the airdrop so you can make some money for yourself. Okay. So if you're watching this on YouTube, probably the recorded version on YouTube, make sure that you sign up. There's a link down below this video. So use that link right there to sign up for the project and start trading right away. Okay, starting right away. So that's basically how it works. So I'm going to be seeing you guys pretty soon. Bye for now and enjoy the rest of